Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Drive and signing into the correct account. Once signed in, make sure syncing is complete so you're working with the latest version. Otherwise, you may miss recent edits. Navigate directly to the folder that contains the file you want to remove and confirm whether you are the owner or just a viewer. If you're not the owner, request permission or ask the owner to delete. Now that prerequisites are set, select the file to begin the deletion process. You now perform the deletion. Right-click the file on desktop or tap the three-dot menu on mobile, then choose Delete or Remove. Once you confirm, the file moves to trash. This is temporary, so understand why. Trash preserves files for 30 days, giving you a safety net. Make sure to check whether the file sits in shared drives, because only certain roles can permanently delete there. After deletion, monitor the trash if you change your mind. Otherwise, proceed to empty it when ready. You finish by emptying trash to permanently remove the file. Open trash, select the item, and choose Delete Forever or Empty Trash for all items. Make sure to allow a few minutes for Drive to sync across devices and reflect the permanent deletion for collaborators. If you still see the file, check you're in the right account and inspect the activity log to confirm actions. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails or the file reappears, verify ownership and shared drive permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.